Welcome to the lecture series of Laplace transform. Today we are going to see a problem under t into f of t, that kind of problems. Look at the first question, find L of t square e power minus 3t. So the solution is L of t square e power minus 3t. So t square means minus 1 square d square by ds square L of e power minus 3t. So minus 1 the whole square is nothing but 1, so no need to write. So d square by ds square L of e power minus 3t, that is nothing but 1 by s plus 3. Now we are going to differentiate this 1 by s plus 3 two times. So in the first time when you are differentiating, 1 by x differentiation is d by ds of, this is of the form 1 by x. So the answer is minus 1 by x square. So s plus 3 the whole square. When you are differentiating the second time, can keep the minus 1 outside. Again differentiating this, minus 2 by s plus 3 the whole power 3. So the answer is 2 by s plus 3 whole power 3. Therefore L of t square e power minus 3t, answer is 2 by s plus 3 whole power 3. Look at the next question. Find L of t into e power minus 2t cos 3t. So the solution, L of t e power minus 2t cos 3t. So t means minus d by ds of, okay, minus d by ds of L of e power minus 2t cos 3t. Again minus d by ds of L of cos 3t, where s2 s plus 2, we are applying the first shifting result, okay. So minus d by ds, cos means s by s square plus a square, that is s square plus 3 square, that is nothing but 9, where s2 s plus 2, okay. So before differentiating that, we can replace s as s plus 2. So minus d by ds s plus 2 the whole square plus 9. So now we are going to differentiate this one. So the denominator square, you can keep the minus outside. So s plus 2 the whole square plus 9 whole square, denominator square, then s plus 2 the whole square plus 9 into differentiation of s plus 2, that is 1, minus, okay, numerator s plus 2 into differentiation of the denominator s plus 2 the whole square. So 2 into s plus 2, differentiation of s is 1, okay. So now we can write this as minus is outside, okay. So on the whole we can write this as s plus 2 the whole square plus 9 minus 2 into s plus 2 into s plus 2. So s plus 2 the whole square divided by s plus 2 the whole square plus 9 whole power 2. Is it clear? So in all the term we can have that s plus 2 the whole square. So we can write this as minus. Instead of that we can take this we can take the minus inside. So we can write this as divided by s plus 2 the whole square plus 9 the whole square. Now look at this, 2 times of s plus 2 the whole square minus s plus 2 the whole square. So we can write this as s plus 2 the whole square minus 9 divided by s plus 2 the whole square plus 9 the whole square. So this is the answer for L of t into e power minus 2t cos 3t. So this is the answer for the second question. Now look at the next question. Find L of t square e power t sin 3t. So the solution is L of t square e power t sin t, that is equal to, t square means what? Minus 1 square d square by ds square L of e power t sin t, okay. So minus 1 the whole square means plus 1. So we can write only d square by ds square L of sin t, applying the first shifting property, this can be written as s to s minus 1. Okay, sin t, so sin means a by, okay, so a means here it is 1, so 1 by s square plus 1 square, that is 1. Okay, so in this one we have to translate s to s minus 1, so d square by d s square of 1 by s minus 1 the whole square plus 1. So now we are going to differentiate this term 2 times. Okay, so when you are differentiating the first time we can write the d by ds outside. Now we are differentiating the term, so first we have to write the denominator, so denominator s minus 1 the whole square plus 1 whole square. Okay, then numerator we have to write this one into what? See, s minus 1 the whole square plus 1 into 0, because differentiation of 1 is 0, then minus, okay, 2 into s minus 1. Okay, that is d by ds of the whole term, 0 into anything fully will become 0, so minus 2 into s minus 1 divided by s minus 1 the whole square plus 1. So now we are going to differentiate this term again with respect to what? With respect to s. Before differentiating, we can write this as d by ds of minus 2 into s minus 1 divided by a minus b the whole square, so s square minus 2s plus 1, again here also 1, so that is equal to 2 the whole square. For the writing convenience, before differentiation we are expanding this s minus 1 the whole square. Now we are going to differentiate this. Okay, so denominator the whole square, so s square minus 2s plus 2, already power is 2, so that will become as power 4, and then s square minus 2s plus 2 the whole square, okay, into differentiation of this one, so minus 2 into 1, so we can write minus 2, then minus into minus plus 2 into s minus 1 differentiation of this term, 2 into s square minus 2s plus 2 into what? Into 2s s square minus 2. Okay, so this is the differentiation for the second one. So in the next step, look at here also s square minus 2s plus 2 into 2, and here also 2 into s square minus 2s plus 2. So on the whole, commonly we can take 2 into s square, can take 2 into s square minus 2s plus 2 outside. Okay, so write the remaining. What is the remaining here? Here we can get only minus s square minus 2s plus 2, because here it is power is 2, we have taken one term only, so minus is there, so minus s square minus 2s plus 2, and here it is, look at this one, 2 into 2, okay, we can get only 4. Here already we have taken 2, and this term also we have taken. If you are taking 2 outside, already one 2 is there, so plus 4 s minus 1 s minus 1 s minus 1 the whole square whole divided by s square minus 2s plus 2 whole power 4. Can cancel this, so this is equal to 2 into minus s square minus into minus plus 2s minus 2, and here it is 4 into s square minus 2s plus 1 whole divided by s square minus 2s plus 2, the power will become as 3. Okay, so now that is equal to 2 into minus s square plus 2s minus 2 plus 4s square minus 8s plus 4 whole divided by s square minus 2s plus 2 whole power 3. So now look at this, minus s square plus 4s square, so that is equal to 2 into how many times s square? 3 times, so 3s square, and here it is 2s and minus 8s, so minus 6s, and here it is minus 2 plus 4, so plus 2 whole divided by s square minus 2s plus 2 the power 3. Okay, therefore what is our left hand side? Left hand side is L of, therefore L of t square e power t sin t. The answer is 2 into 3s square minus 6x plus 2 divided by s square minus 2s plus 2 whole power 3. Okay, so this is the answer for the third question. Definitely this kind of question will come under the university examination, okay, under 8 mark. Thank you for watching.